Because they won't even name it. To accord it. Even though they don't name it. I joined Nigeria and the Malaga Pussy. Is really good. When you travel, you just watch it. We want public money to be used for public good.
That's right.
All you could say to the Eba. I try to say to my this will go. Actually, go match. Barrier. When your man came to about 14 years. Call it 13 years in the government. I challenge you on your plan. Onwe bi fule gonda na bra na efu pia osunezon onwe bi fura na man assign him over 100,000 CA post onwe na efu na Anambra state allocate directly indirectly to me ebia ijenni na chirachira with the pension as governor onwe bi nu go na Anambra state government go tell him pure water since my 13 years of living government ebia I refuse to sign any pension, any gratuity, any benefit to ex-governor, to me in particular. I finished, I went home. I want a man in water, I want a man in anywhere. Whatever I got to work, I didn't have any people. No, because I manage public assets. And I just manage them, you manage them. You can't have no money there for them. You go faithful. People don't know. Today in history of Nigeria, except for Yaradua, who is late now. Furthermore, we have to turn rap ego. Ego me in Arab equivalent of 75 billion naira, which comprise of $150 million. Arab foreign currency and local currency. In 3 banks in Nigeria, I challenge anybody. Oyecho, or just to those banks, a year statement, all the clear, all the case. So, I can't choke. I be the man in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. Corner walk. It's doable. To one more vote. All foundation engage you agent. All foundation made you agent. Yes. Makana ane mana. Omore yenye because that is disadvantage. Man na go no mu ye boko Nigeria. I bring peace and unity in this country. I bring peace and unity in this country. I want to fight insecurity in Zamfara, in Sokoto, in Borno, in Katsina. Fight it in Anambra, in Imo, in Ondo, in Kwara, in Naija. And I'll fight it with different tools. I'll go and pull people out of poverty. Because the more you pull people out of poverty, the more you reduce criminality.
Yes.
I know what it takes to create wealth for the public. And I've studied and followed it everywhere. But even though we don't do something, I can't. Igwe, I assume, I don't know more.
I have a foundation again.
Thank you.
And I got support here, and I have support here.
Thank you.
And Joe more. We prayed for you, and we told you who her categorically not going to be the next Amac chair.
Thank you. Thank you.
I have a candidate. The I have honorable coalitions.
Thank you.
Joe video I say they are honorable coalitions.
Thank you.
And I have to take my one nine. Okay.
That's right.
Thank you. What if I was almost now we're going to thank you very much. Thank you. No, I got one. You've been here. They welcomed you. Today I've come to also seek their blessing. And they've assured you they will support you as long as I'm involved in everything. And we assure you, and I'm making on China. Saturday, come out. Vote, defend the vote. I got transmission. I got transmit here.
Yes.
Because
so what the chairman is going to
ICA.
Thank you very much. Welcome coming to our zone. Not easy seeing somebody like you in this our local village. And you are present here. Tell us all that this your boy is going already. This more we in this village, any other village did not count, we count him. Yes. The vote is counting already. Okay. 21 villages. So he's going already. He must be there since you are here in our midst. The present here matters a lot because we will not even believe. That's why I begin to rush that. And the show not. So your presence here matters a lot for him and for we people in this village. Nobody has put this crowd in this village.
Thank you.
For my 20 years in this village, nobody has put this crowd.
Thank you.
Very, very important. I welcome you. It is well. Every chair. Every chair.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, good.